Well, this is the quiet before the storm. This afternoon, there's a rehearsal about to be happening, and in hopes that Maynard will fill the stadium of 2,000 seats. Televised performance. Crane shots will be involved in this TV extravaganza. And it's a pretty big place. A lot of pressure on my buddy. The band is taking his stride.